Hi, this is Alok Mishra from Allsee Technologies from ISE 2020. This is our newly launched product called PT75G. This is an interactive display panel where you can actually annotate, you can write on the board, you can share the content on real-time basis via the QR code, or send a mail, or also save to the local disk or pen drive. This has got both the versions Android OS and Windows OS as well, and you can also download the third-party apps. You can download the third-party apps and do the web conferencing via these apps. For more information, you can get back to our office or visit our website called www.allsee-tech.com.